Tori.
So we do some acting and some lipstick business. So I get no ideas. But anyways, in this one we are spending like a time with Miss Tori Shae Williams. But differently though, Tori, what have you been up to?
Differently, we're there for shoot movies. In our life, some things are going, yes, handling business same way. So I kind of know everything about that. But everything is good, everything is wonderful. We just want to get them movies out to you guys, right?
Okay, so I believe you're one of the persons who I did first set of videos with, like when I interview, da da da.
My name is Tori Shae, in fact, but you can call me Tori.
So tell me a little bit about what going on there, I just say no.
Right now.
Alright, because I know my audience like, so I'm not gonna believe me, but she does not know who I am. She is clueless.
Yeah,
we actually come down here together, so my name is Akin. From that time until now, like what changed with you and this environment?
Naturally, we just get more and more comfortable, you know, with each and every member of the main cast. So yeah, like with Fire, Richard Brown, this one right here, so Akin, Alton. Yeah, we just get closer and closer, so we just get more comfortable and I don't know, like it.
Enough people who watch you don't really know who Tori is.
They want to know who I am.
Well, probably. I don't know what you can do for help we know who Tori is.
Fine. Tori very business minded, you know.
Business minded?
Yes. So.
Hold on. When I want to make it robot,
Let's not.
there has to be some amount of emotion in this being here.
There was a time when we did very interested in the same photography and videography here as well. You know? Like me have my own camera and stuff, and we did do my little thing, but then we sort of lose the passion, and then they just kind of dive right into business. And then there was a time when we did too, as you must say, robot-like with the business. Somebody have to try to gain back some more of who I am, get in tune with my life, you know. And then we start to do some planting. So farming is a very big part of my life right now. Yeah, I have my little farm where me get up and running so we can plant each and everything, because I don't know, more food, world food shortage and all that. Really one bigger argument, but yes, I like to plant, I like to watch things grow.
Tell me some things you like though, apart from farming and business, you know, like some little casual things that don't make money, them just, what do I call it now? They're just fun.
There's never a classy way to say binge drink.
Binge drink.
There's never a classy way to say it, but yeah, I like to enjoy myself, but not in a way with like a bag of crowd and a bag of people. I like great company, don't get me wrong, but I just like I'm a Sagittarian, and Sagittarians always like nice scenery. So anywhere that is really nice, it can be a beachside or a riverside, but any place with a nice ambience or something, yeah, I could just build right there and have my own vibes and sip a little drink and enjoy myself. Yeah, that's how I really enjoy myself. I don't really.
Sorry to cut you off. I'm a Sagittarian myself. December the 6th.
Did you tell me this?
Did I?
I don't think you did, but maybe. I remember we did have one conversation there one time. We're kind of hazy.
Let me guess yours. December. You get the month, right?
You get the month. See, whenever I talk about it. Because me can't remember and you can't remember.
December 8th.
Close though. It's the 9th.
The 9th.
Yeah. And you're the 6th. Wow.
So we're both Sagittarians. So I can confirm you saying Sagittarians like scenic places, alone time. Yeah. So what else? Give a little icing on the cake now. Enough man out the tour, them see you, them just want all of this. Probably at least give you a hint of the kind of guys you like. Or if you could describe him physically, what does he look like?
Definitely like a man where healthy looking. You go start this one. So you have to have a nice build. Can't do maga.
Not like me, guys. Don't have this build, no chance.
Can't do maga. Have a nice little build, but definitely I don't like any form of thick. Is that too far? But yeah, that's me. I don't like thick people. I like people with. So
You know, like no farmer. Alright. Alright, so tell about him personality.
Definitely have to have reasoning ability. Like if we can hold a steady conversation about a topic and like even if we have disagreements during it, we need to can reason. You can listen to my point, me if you can listen to yours, and then just communication, man. That's very important. And you have to be ambitious. When we say ambitious, then I say, yo, you have to be. Yeah, but in a way, yeah, you have to be a monster at what you want. You have to go after what you want. Do your own thing, have your own thing going on, but at the same time, whenever we both agree, whenever we both have convenient time, then we spend it together. But otherwise, yeah, we're young. We need to, even if you're not young, it really don't matter still. It don't really matter to me in a way. Can't too old still, because after a time, can't really do nothing much. But yeah.
Okay. Now we're out. So before we let you go, I want to tell you about family. You a little bit about family. But first you tell what it means to you first and then tell us about it. And then, as a matter of fact, before all of that, give us one of the stairs. Oh, 1 pointer. Don't date Sagittarius.
Yeah.
You guys are both going to want that.
I know that.
But anyways, family.
Of course, family is very important to me because I grew up in a nuclear family. Yeah, them call that mother and father. And everything did good still, you know, I live a decent life growing up. I never needed for anything. So, I love my mom and I love my dad, but we're not hella close. I don't know if some people that are close to like a one parent. Me and my mother cool, you know, we're pretty close. We can talk about anything, but we're like, we don't know, we're not hella close. So I have sisters as well, and we're not really close. But when we say not really close, that don't mean that we don't talk. We might not talk for a couple months straight.
Just a second.
Might not talk a couple months straight, but they're never.
No, I get you. I totally get you. I think everybody. I think everybody who are listening as well gets you. Why are you so distracting though? I just forget what my dog asked you a while ago.
The sincerity again.
Oh. I'm gonna ask you again. Something about family.
Oh, you did say what it means to me.
Oh yeah.
And then.
You said it was important, and then you were talking about
My father and my sisters.
What do you think if your parents were to tell someone about you? Like what do you think they would have said? Yeah.
They would say I'm their wash belly. I'm the last one, and they would say that I was always one of the brightest.
What high school did you attend?
St. Mary High.
St. Mary High.
Then
Big up St. Mary High.
Big up. But then we advanced to community college, and we did have a choice to leave this and go do whatever I want, and I chose to go to UTech, at the University of Technology, and I did a couple of years there.
What did you study?
Same way. Crazy. It's called Communication Arts and Technology. However, it's basically media.
Okay.
I learned how to shoot, how to transition, script writing, everything from journalism to videography to public relations, everything with advertising, everything, all of that basically. So, then I say, I did well, but then there came a time when I say, Mom, put on all of this and just go out there and pursue life. And it wasn't really the decision that my parents would have made. But guess what? It's my life. So we make a decision for go out there, me and my bestie, and we start our own life out there in the streets until we rise, until we have our own place now. Finally, we used to, be roommating with friends and other students from university. Back in them days when we done school, And so we're hustling at the streets now.
Man, cut you off again. I'm just looking at the camera and ask about probably some past relationships. Come away from the music, please. Like, would I really want to talk to at least one of the guys I'm with date and ask them what was the experience like? Dad, what do you think they would say about that though?
There's only really one person you could ask. As I said, it's only one sort of real relationship that I had. I'm a Sagittarian, come on. Only one.
Oh, shucks. You just strike one nerve. I've only had one.
What was wrong with my belly? My belly they hurt me so much while I'm not sure. And my dad said, oh, Akeem wants me to do a video now and my belly hurt me. And my belly feels so much better since we're doing this.
Yeah, so not to get too distracted from my question, what would the ex-boyfriend say about Tori if he's not bitter or salty?
I think he is bitter because I didn't end it.
Oh, you ended it?
Yeah.
Do you have a reputation for ending things though?
Yeah, I have a reputation for starting things and not finishing them the right way. So yeah, when I don't give people closure, it's basically leaving a project before it's complete, right?
No, they never give him closure.
No. The thing is, as I tell about the reasoning ability.
Oh, okay.
It's I always express myself in a relationship, and this person kind of did have a little temper too, like myself. So arguments could get pretty intense. But it was a issue when we continuously I tell them about. You know, probably in a different ways it would have happened, but it would have come around to it being the same issue. We continuously tell you about this to the point where we get to arguments and in the end, we just done with it. Like, it don't make no sense. There's
wow.
closure. What we need to give it
wow.
the same thing when I'm going to tell you again, right?
Alright, so I think that's basically it. We can get one whole heap from your personality, from everything that you just said. Family, things you like, school, Yeah. Anything you want to say before we close the video? May I make you close it?
I don't like to tell people what to do, but I'm a vegetarian. Technically a pescatarian because I love seafood and I recently started indulging in all kinds of seafood. But yeah, eat your vegetables, people. Be healthy, drink your water, hydrate.
Oh, my dad tell her I said I just cover the lens but she never hear me. Big up on yourself. Like the video, subscribe for your first time, and yeah, come on.